Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your email address on Discord. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your Discord application, and then you need to go into the user setting, and here you are on your account. Then you need to, on your email, you simply need to click on edit and click on send verification code, and a code will be sent to your email address. So let me check into my Gmail whether I receive a code or not. So let me open my Gmail. So here is my code. Let me copy that and paste it here. So let me copy that first and paste it here and click on next. And here you need to enter an email address and password, and once you've done that, you simply need to click on done. So this is a simple process by which you can verify your email address on Discord. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.